In today's video, I'm going to show you, step by step, how to remove the front bumper from a 7th generation Hyundai Elantra facelift. We'll completely remove the bumper, and I'll show you every mounting point along the way, so you don't miss any hidden clips or bolts. First, open the hood. Along the top edge of the bumper, you'll find several plastic clips and a couple of bolts that secure the upper section. These all need to be removed before moving on. As you can see, these plastic clips are installed across the top. I've already removed the clips on this side, so I can show you the easiest way to take them out. Using a trim removal tool, simply slide it underneath the clip and gently pry it upward. The clips come out very easily without causing any damage. Repeat the same process for all of the remaining clips. In the center, you'll find two 10mm bolts. Using a ratchet with a 10mm socket, remove both of these bolts. They secure the center portion of the front bumper. Once they're removed, we can continue to the next mounting points. Now move over near the headlights. On both the left and right sides, there are hidden 10mm bolts securing the bumper to the body. These are easy to miss if you don't know where to look. Remove both bolts with your 10mm socket, just like this. Once both sides are done, we can move to the wheel arches. Turn the steering wheel either left or right, depending on which side you're working on. This gives you much more room to access the inner fender liner and makes the job much easier. Inside the wheel arch, you'll find 4 plastic clips, 2 near the bottom and 2 closer to the top. Using the same trim removal tool, carefully remove each clip. They should come out without much effort. Next, look where the front fender meets the bumper. Here you'll find a single 8mm bolt holding the side of the bumper in place. Remove this bolt completely with an 8mm socket. Be sure to do this on both sides of the vehicle. Now we're ready to release the bumper from the side brackets. The bumper is held in place by plastic guide rails, so simply grab the edge of the bumper and pull it straight toward yourself with a firm but controlled motion. It may require a little force, but it will pop free from the retaining clips. Here's what the mounting rail looks like from the inside. Repeat exactly the same procedure on the opposite side. Before removing the bumper completely, don't forget to check underneath the vehicle. The lower engine splash shield is attached to the bumper with several fasteners. Remove any remaining bolts or clips connecting the splash shield to the bumper. Once everything underneath has been disconnected, return to the top of the bumper. The upper section is still held by several retaining tabs. Pull the top edge of the bumper slightly toward yourself to release these tabs one by one. With the upper section released and both side brackets disconnected, carefully pull the entire bumper forward. It should come off smoothly. Before taking the bumper away from the vehicle, don't forget to disconnect the electrical connectors for the fog lights, turn signals, or any other accessories equipped on your car. After unplugging the wiring harnesses, you can safely remove the front bumper completely. And that's it. The front bumper has now been fully removed from the 7th generation Hyundai Elantra facelift. If this video helped you, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and check out my other Hyundai Elantra repair and disassembly tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.